letter K is here, joyfully spread. L is for lollipop, sweet on your tongue. Lions at the zoo, roaring loud and strong. Let's all dance under the full moon's light. Letter L is lovely, bright in the night. K to R, fun with stars. Laugh and play near and far. Sing along, hop and twirl. Letters make the world swirl. M is for monkey, swinging on a vine. Music in the park, keeping us in line. Marvel at the moon, lighting up the night. Letter M is magical, a true delight. N is for numbers, counting one by one. Noodles on the plate,